So let me now walk you through the beautiful soup library documentation, which contains a lot of information. And I'm going to be summarizing everything instead of going through all of these things. I'm going to be giving you the most important functions and also the most important things and scripts and techniques that you need to use in order to get data from the web. Of course, there are many things. And as you can see, in order to go to this documentation, you can go to crummy.com/software/beautiful soup/bs4/doc. I'm going to be leaving this link for you if you want to check the documentation. And as you can see, it contains lots of information, many things, and it's going to take a lot of time. And of course, you don't need to learn each single function that exists in this documentation because not all of them are important. Some of them are super important and you need to use them. Other functions are just useful for specific situations. So of course, you don't need to use each single function here. But whenever you need to do a specific thing, you can refer back to this documentation. But I'm going to be creating a script that will, for the most part, will get whatever you want from the web. It's going to get pretty much anything you want from an HTML document. But again, if you want to get a specific thing, you would have to refer back to this documentation and search for that specific function. And it's going to be easy for you to get a specific function after you understand how Beautiful Soup Library works, after I teach you how it works.